Here we have two ellipsometer measurement systems. So these are both from Woollam Instruments. We have a V-VASE ellipsometer and then an IR-VASE ellipsometer. They're effectively the same machine in an ellipsometer. What that is, it's really a fancy spectrometer. And so both these take spectral measurements, but using input and output polarization measurements, you can determine a lot of features of thin film samples. So if you have a sample with substrate, thin film, or many layers of thin films, you can figure out things like the index of those thin films, thickness of those films, how light reacts to the films, their spectral characteristics. And so what's cool about these instruments is, starting with the V-VASE, the visible, we can go all the way from UV wavelengths all the way out to, with the IR-VASE, to 40 micron wavelengths. So we're really looking at the full wavelength range of UV, vis, near, all the way out to far infrared. We have goniometer stages on each of these, so the machine can automatically adjust the angles that you're measuring at over time. So we set up the measurement, walk away for a few hours, come back, and all the data is automatically taken for us. And that provides extra data, of course, to fit better models and give you more accurate results for your measurements. These are not very common instruments in industry. I mean, they can be found in some lab, but they're not very often found in production facilities. And so these offer the capability of companies to come out here and use these to take measurements of, say, their production processes, whether they're doing AR coatings or high reflectivity coatings on their optics. These machines can measure all of those coatings and give them details that aren't readily available in their own labs.